How to remove an app on Mac. Being a new user on Mac, you might find it challenging to understand it if you are used with Windows. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove an app on MacBook. For this, please go to your desktop. Click on Go menu. On this submenu, click on Applications. Here, you will see the list of your application added to your Mac. Let's suppose you have a mouse. Go with the cursor over the icon of the app you want to remove. Right-click on that icon and the menu will pop up. If you use the touchpad, tap the touchpad with 2 fingers and this will emulate a right click. You can also check the gestures of your touchpad on System Preferences. Here, select Move to Bin. This will move the app to the bin. After that, go to the bin and empty it. And all the data, including the software, will be deleted. We have now deleted an app from MacBook. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.